Okay, we have a unboxing video. It's from Disney. It is a journal with pen, and you can see it's a Elsa and Anna journal, and it comes with its own pen, and this pen looks like it has different colored ink. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the box, and let's see what we got here. So we can put that over here, and let's get this pin out, because I think this is going to be the star of the show here. And this is a pen that supposedly has green, pink, red, blue, black, and purple inks. Let's try the red ink. Let's see what this looks like. Red. So that's red ink. Let's try blue ink. Blue. And you can see that all you have to do is push down on the color that you want. Pink. Ooh, that has pink. Green. So we get green here. Green. And purple. Black. Black. There you have it. Your colored pen and the Anna Elsa book that has Anna and Elsa on every single page that you can draw something on. And Olaf is on the back. In summer.